Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be going over this 82-piece depinning and extractor set that I got off of Amazon. I'm working on a 2002 Mustang GT, and I'm working on replacing some connectors going to my coil packs. The ones on the car, the plastic has gotten really dry, and some of these actual plastic tabs have broken, so the connectors no longer stay connected to the car. So what I decided to do is buy some new plugs. And with the depinning kit, I was going to take the old plugs off and swap them out with these new ones. And that way I can keep the original wiring that's on the vehicle without having to rewire them. So I figured it'd be a lot easier to depin them and take these new plugs and swap them out for the old plugs. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on. So in this kit that I bought, like I said, it was the 82-piece kit. You get 28 of these single pin extractors, which are these ones. And then you're going to get about 30 of the double pin extractors, which are these ones. So they look like a fork, so those are the double pin ones. And then you get about 24 of the casing tools. So it's these kind. And they give you a couple of duplicates, which is okay. So in case you break one, or if you need to use two at the same time, you've got some extras here in the kit. So I think that's really nice. And then you also get a nice storage case, so everything fits in here. So you got little pockets, a little bit of a strap. So all your pieces will fit here in the kit. Really nice storage option. Okay, so I'll do a quick demo on how to get one of these wires out. So I'm just going to use one of my single depinning tools. Basically, inside the plug here, at the end of your metal connection, there's also a plastic tab that's kind of holding that end of that connection in. So basically you're trying to put your depinning tool between that plastic tab down there and the metal part of your plug, and just kind of push it out of the way, and then your wire will come out. So here's a closer look. Basically when this is in the plug, there's this square hole here, and there's a piece of plastic, that tab, that's kind of pushed in and preventing this wire from coming out. So when you get your depinning tool, you're kind of coming in at this angle and getting in between that plastic tab and the metal part of the connector, and that allows you to pull it out of the connection, and that's how you can depin it. Okay, so there you go, guys. If you've got a project coming up and you need to do some electrical work and depin some connections, I think a kit like this will be really helpful, so I would recommend you take a look at this one.